Morning, it's Thursday, January 23, 2025. It's been 3 days after the snowstorm here in southeast Alabama, but we still have thick ice. And there were some roofs. Roofs are still white. It's a nice experience because this is my almost 6 years here in Alabama, but this is my first big experience of snow, because every winter we have a strong frost because southeast Alabama is subtropical. We don't have this snows unusual here. It's a blessing. I appreciate it. This is the roof of our house, still white. The temperature now is 21, and this is my garden. They're white. Some are melted. This is, look at this car. I removed some snow already. Still have this is one of my husband's collections. I like collecting old cars, and he restored it. This is a fig tree. Look like ocean. It's nice. For me, this view is very natural. Beauty of nature, natural art of nature. This is God's art. God's so amazing. God is a perfect artist. See? Also in the treetop, they're still white. This part here, because yesterday it was sunny, so this part, some ice here melt. They're like a cotton. Excuse me, this area here is so beautiful. It's a forest. Wow, it's amazing. It's very, very nice. It's me. I still can't believe that I'm here with the snow forming. I'm still dreaming. If this is a room, it's very amazing green. Look that one. It's showing the tree. Up on the tree is white. Here all are white. Wow, it's beautiful out there. It's so lovely. This part here, some ice melt. See the white forest. Until the treetop, they're still white. Wow. This part here, my eyes melt, but look at the tree, still white until the top. Just the roof of our shade, still white. So also there. See how beautiful inside the forest. See? Wow. It's fantastic art of nature. This is the back of the shade. Yeah, on the top of the tree is still white. I never thought that I could experience this. This is a privilege from Almighty Father to let me experience like this. The creek is clear, water is clear, but it's icy. It's ice. Wow, it's so beautiful. The water is very clear. I see some fish. It's the ice. So beautiful. Wow. Here, this is my garden number 2. Still white there, over there. The top of the trees, Still white. Wow. Everything is white. There's the roof. It's sunny now, so it's about to start melting. Well, thank you so much for watching. I just show you how rare our condition here now, but it's a blessing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you love this video, please see a comment, and if you're new in my channel, please subscribe, click the bell button. Thank you so much. God bless. Stay safe, everyone.